question number 1 repeat?
Absolutely. Here it is again. Could you please introduce yourself and explain why you are interested in a marketing position? I'll wait for your answer.
Hello, my name is Faiz Rivaldi. I am a graduate in Industrial Electrical Engineering from Electronic Engineering Polytechnic Institute of Surabaya. Although my background is technical, I developed strong analytical and problem-solving skills. I am interested in marketing because it combines data analysis, communication, and strategy. I want to use my analytical thinking to understand customers' needs and contribute to business growth.
Thank you for your answer. Let's move to the next question. What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are that I am analytical, detail-oriented, and persistent. I can understand that data and turn it into insights. My weakness is that I sometimes focus too much on the details, but I am improving by managing my time better and prioritizing tasks.
Thank you for your answer. Let's move to the next question. Why do you want to work in marketing?
I am interested in marketing because it allows me to combine creativity and analytical thinking. I enjoy understanding customer behavior and creating strategies that can solve problems and increase engagement.
Thank you for your answer. Let's move to the next question. Tell me about a time you solved a problem or handled a challenge.
During my final project, I faced a challenge in optimizing system performance under unstable conditions. I analyzed the problem, tested several approaches, and implemented modified result optimization for optimization method.
Thank you for your answer. Let's move to the next question. How would you promote a product?
First, I would identify the target audience and understand their needs. Then I would create a clear value proposition and choose the right channels, such as social media or digital marketing. Finally, I would monitor the results and optimize the strategy based on data.
Thank you for your answer. Let's move to the next question. Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I have strong analytical skills, a willingness to learn, and a proactive attitude. I might come from a technical background, but I can quickly adapt and bring a unique perspective to marketing strategies.
Thank you for your answer. Let's move to the next question. Where do you see yourself in the next 3 to 5 years?
In the next 3 to 5 years, I see myself growing as a marketing professional with strong analytical and strategic skills. I want to contribute to business growth and take on greater responsibilities.
Thank you for your answer. Now, I'd like to provide some feedback on your responses. First, your answers were clear and your grammar was mostly strong. Your vocabulary was appropriate for a professional setting. In terms of confidence, you sounded steady, though at times a bit rushed, so pacing could be improved slightly. I'd suggest adding